Are you looking for house plants that's not only elegant but also cleans the air in your home? This peace lily is one of the most graceful plants you can grow indoors. Easy to care for, beginner friendly, and it naturally purifies the air. Hi everyone, my name is Jules and I share simple orchid and plant care tips to help your garden thrive. And today I will share simple tips to keep your peace lily thriving and blooming beautifully. Watch this video till the end if you want to learn more how to care for your peace lily. So let's talk about the light requirements. Peace lilies love bright and direct light because too much sun burns the leaves while too little light will stop the blooms. So the best way is to place your plant near a window with filtered light or even in a low light corner. It will grow though blooms might be fewer. When it comes to watering, one of the most common mistakes is overwatering. Peace lilies like slightly moist soil but not soggy. Water once the top ends of soil feels dry. And you know what is a good trick? If the leaves start to drop a little, that's your plant telling you it's thirsty. And don't forget to use a pot with drainage holes. How about humidity and temperature? Since they are tropical, peace lilies love warmth and humidity, so keep them away from cold drops and air conditioners. If your home is dry, mist the leaves or place a water tray nearby to keep humidity level up. And if you want your peace lilies to bloom all year round, to encourage those elegant white flowers, feed your peace lily with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing because it can cause brown leaf tips. With proper care, you'll enjoy blooms several times a year. And for other benefits that you get from your peace lily, did you know that the NASA or the National Aeronautic and Space Administration listed peace lily as one of the top air purifying plants? Yeah, it helps filter harmful toxins from the air, so it's not just beautiful, it's healthy also for your home. And that's it. With just the right balance of light, water, fertilizer, and love, your peace lily will reward you with elegance and clean air all year long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips. From my garden to yours, may your days always bloom beautifully. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and God bless. I'll see you in my next video.